Your chicken's looking nice, pal.
Woo! Yo, he stole my chicken!
Got a crispy treasure, can't slow me down. Hot and golden, I'm out of this town. Move, move, Friday, victory.
Well, get back here.
Run, spin, slide, I'm gliding out the door. Fried love in my arms, can't give it up no more. Hey.
Morning, babes. It is the iconic energy today, no cap. Your boy just clocked in to serve face, serve attitude, serve whatever needs to be served. First things first, foundation. We laying the blueprint. We building a mansion on this face, okay? Tap, tap, tap. Smooth like my peen when...
Beautiful day to be up here. I'm happy, man. I get to spend less time in traffic and more time where it matters, and I trust this guy completely.
Got you covered, Kobe.
These videos you just watched are not real. They are completely made by Sora 2 AI. And if you want to get an invite code to be able to start using it, make sure you stay to the end of this video. Alright, let's quickly get into it. Sora 2 is OpenAI's newest text-to-video model. It turns written prompts into ultra-realistic videos that look like they were shot with a professional camera. So in these simple terms, I'm going to actually describe a scene. So here's the prompt. Input this prompt, and this is what you get.
花火、綺麗だね。でも僕たちは少しずつ離れていく。
Here's another prompt you should try out. Copy this prompt, and this is the result of the prompt, looking so realistic. So at section 2 we have viral clips. So here we're going to actually try and create ultra realistic videos that would definitely go viral. So you can input this particular prompt.
Morning, babes. It is the iconic energy today, no cap. Your boy just clocked in to serve face, serve attitude, serve whatever needs to be served. First things first, foundation. We laying the blueprint. We building a mansion on this face, okay? Tap, tap, tap. Smooth like my peen when...
So this is how the video turned out, looking so realistic, and you won't believe that it's AI. So you can input this prompt to get an excellent result.
Hey, to be up here, I'm happy, man. I get to spend less time in traffic and more time where it matters, and I trust this guy.
Got you covered, Kobe.
Always smooth.
So this video also turned out excellently well, very realistic. At section 3, real world physics. Here, OpenAI has actually gone ahead to advance its movements and dynamics, so we'll get into that. Here you can input this prompt, and
ready when you are. 3, 2, 1, go. Dude, you alright?
Okay.
So you can see how realistic that video was. Turned out perfectly fine. At number 4, how to access Sora 2. You can access Sora 2 through so many ways, and first of all I'll show you how to access it through the website. So now you have to set your VPN. It's not available in any other country apart from America. Set your VPN, head over to sora.chatgpt.com, log in, and sign up for free. Fill in your email, and yes, you input your invite code, and then you're in. That's just how simple it takes. If you don't have an invite code, do not worry. I will share some invite code in the comment section, and if you want some invite code, do well to comment code, and I'm going to send it to you, and that is how you can actually gain access to it. So here's also the pro version, how you can get it, through paid version. And this is also available in any country, no matter what, no matter where you are. It's going to be available for you there. If you're in Nigeria, it's going to be available for you. But just bear in mind that it is not free. You will have to pay for it. Alright, so you can head over to Higgsfield and fill up, try and find your way and get to Sora 2, and I'll show you exactly what I'm trying to talk about. So these are the premium AI tools. So I tried to create a video, and it took me directly to where I am ought to subscribe, and I'm seeing the pro version, the ultimate version, and the whatsoever. You can switch over to monthly, and you see pro version $29, whatever is just paid for. Alright, yeah, this is also another way you can actually get it. Now that's everything you need to know about Sora 2 AI, and now I'm going to be sharing some invite code I was able to get from Rich Boy Tech. Shout out to him. So this is the invite code. You can go through them and try each and every one of them. Some are invalid, but some are actually working. So that's everything you need to know. Make sure you tap your screen to watch more videos like this. All right, see you on the next one.